Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Heatrobe, a heated garment that claims to keep your entire body warm while you scroll through social media or contemplate your life choices on the couch. It sounds incredibly cozy, but we need to ask, is this product actually legit or just another internet fever dream? Stick around until the end, because we're breaking this down one red flag at a time. The first concern involves their product images. Upon closer inspection, many of these photos look like they were borrowed straight from the random corners of the internet. Real brands usually hire photographers, but apparently, these guys prefer the right-click, save as method of marketing, which definitely doesn't scream genuine. Next, let's talk about their pricing and marketing tactics. They're pushing a flat 30% off and free delivery, using emotional phrases like wrapped in warmth and designed for comfort. These slogans are so generic they could have been written by a sentient toaster. This combination of massive discounts and flowery language is a classic hallmark of generic dropshipping sites where the sales tactic is usually much better than the actual product. Then we have their bold claims under the Why Choose Heatrobe section. They boast about premium quality and being trusted by thousands, yet we couldn't find a single certification or test result to back it up. Apparently, thousands of customers are all living off the grid because there's zero evidence they actually exist. The fourth red flag is their customer support, or lack thereof. They provide exactly one email address for contact. No phone number, no live chat, and no physical address. If your order goes missing, you're basically sending a message in a bottle into a digital ocean and hoping for the best. Good luck with that. Finally, we have to address the reviews. On their own website, it's a 5-star utopia where every customer is blissfully warm. However, on external sites like Trustpilot, there's absolutely nothing. When a brand is a superstar on its own turf but invisible everywhere else, that's not just a red flag. It's a whole parade of them. So is Heatrobe legit? Based on the copied images, unverified claims, and the total lack of external feedback, it raises more suspicions than trust. The product sounds amazing on paper, but then again, so does a diet consisting entirely of pizza. If you're thinking of buying one, I'd suggest being extremely careful with your credit card. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful updates and reality checks.